In this video, I'll show you how to connect Writesonic with Zapier to automate your content creation flow. These integration will save you hours on manual work and streamline your content production process. First, ensure you have active accounts for both Writesonic and Zapier. You'll need at least a paid Writesonic plan to access API features. In Zapier, click Create Zap and search for Writesonic as your trigger app. Select a trigger like New Copy Publish or set up a webhook trigger. Connect your Writesonic account by entering your API key, which you can find in your Writesonic dashboard under Settings, then API Keys. Choose your action app. This could be Google Docs, Slack, WordPress, or any platform where you want your generated content to go automatically. Configure how Writesonic's output, such as title, contact tags, maps your destination app's fields. Test the connection to ensure everything works properly. Some popular automation ideas would be auto-publish blog posts to WordPress, send generated content to Teams Slack channels, save content drafts to Google Drive, or create a social media post across platforms. And that's how you automate your content workflow with Writesonic and Zapier. These setup will help you scale your content creation effortlessly.